2025 is here. Big focus at the beginning of the year for a majority of people is my New Year resolution. And a lot of the things that you've noticed time and time again is New Year resolution is focused around your health, around your fitness, around your diet, around what you eat, that sort of stuff. And that also revolves around how your body looks and how you're gonna look in clothes in the future. But what I've noticed is there is barely anything around how am I going to up my style game. Because think about it, you're wearing clothes all the time. You're going out into the world and you are wearing your armor. That piece of clothing is representing you and how you're feeling, in my opinion, about yourself. So if you're gonna be rocking something that's gorgeous, something that's glamorous, something that's beautiful, then you are actually gonna feel glamorous, beautiful, handsome, and sexy. So in this video, we are going to talk about that. We're gonna talk about elevating your work wardrobe. Yes, because for most of us, including me, we go to work. And whether you work from home or you do hybrid working or you are in an office space, you are wearing clothes. And you're wearing clothes all the time. You're not going to work naked. So let's talk about an element that we can control, and that is what you wear on a daily basis. Because my honest internal belief is if you wear something beautiful, if you wear something nice, if you wear something timeless and elegant, you're gonna feel it. It is going to make you feel different. It's just, of course, one element of how we wanna feel about ourselves in general, but it's a big factor. Big factor. You know, think about the people in your office space. There are certain people that you see and you look across the room and you're like, damn, that person dressed really well. Don't know what it is, but they dress nice. So today, I am going to try and do my best to try and help you guys elevate that game. We're gonna try and elevate it up so that in 2025, you, in some way, shape or form, are going to feel better about the clothes that you're gonna wear. So it's time to invest in pieces, timeless pieces that you are going to love wearing to the office, okay? And staple pieces that you can mix and match time and time again. Now, this is not one of those videos where I'm like, these are the top 15 things. No, these are just options, ideas, and pieces that I think you should invest in that are timeless, that never go out of style. That's very important. You know, there's fashion fads and there's, fashion trends, but we're talking about sticking to things that are timeless. So let's get straight to it, okay? So for my Northern Hemisphere friends out there, it is still cold. Yes, I know, it's still winter. One thing that I emphasize, and check out my video around coats as well, is a really beautiful tailored coat, okay? Pick your color. I will go with navy, I'll go camel, or I go with gray. So here we go, a beautiful tailored coat. Okay guys, this thing is timeless. Buy one time, buy well, buy something that is shaped to your body at the moment, okay? Buy it in a beautiful wool finish, all right? Single-breasted first, and then elevate to the double-breasted down the track. But this is gonna be your workhorse going to and from work. You can dress this up, of course, with a suit like mine, or you can dress it down with jeans, chinos, etc. when it becomes more warmer. Or if you're in a more relaxed, casual environment. Okay, we are focusing on things that are revolved around more formal wear, but of course, for the tech bros and for companies where it's more casual, we will have definitely clothes pieces for that sort of environment as well. Okay, another option, camel. This is in a cashmere finish. Beautiful. Think about it, guys. Get yourself a beautiful coat. If you don't have one, it is time to invest in one of these pieces. Investment. They're actually an investment, because if you're gonna rock these pieces, you might as well wear something that is beautiful on your body, okay? So that's for coats. Let's talk about guys in suits. Now, you might be starting a new job that requires a suit. You might be a lawyer, you might be in finance, you might have had a promotion, you might have moved to another country and got a job in finance, whatever it is, and you need to rock a suit. I believe that you should have a workhorse suit. What is a workhorse suit? A workhorse suit is your go-to daily beat around. You're gonna wear it a lot. So, 2 options for workhorse suit. Option number 1, charcoal. Option number 2, navy. This can be 1, this can be option 2. Up to you, or get both. And the main thing I want you guys to focus on, whether it is made to measure or is off the rack, is to ensure that it is tailored in, tailored to you, all right, fitted to you. Whether you're tall, short, whatever, you need to get it tailored correctly, okay? So sleeves are not super long. Cut off the branding on the sleeves. Cut off the clips at the back of the suit, okay? So the reason why is because with a suit, you can then mix and match. You can use the blazer, okay? You can use the suit jacket with your jeans or your chinos, etc. Okay, so workhorse suit. Invest in good quality one. If you have to wear a suit all the time, get 2 trousers. Okay, guys? Okay, you want a statement suit. I think a statement suit is awesome. Why am I calling it a statement suit? Is because it is the suit that sometimes you just want to rock up and be like, damn, I am looking fly today. All right? For me, a beautiful statement suit is a double-breasted suit. Not every guy's rocking a double-breasted suit, boys. Whether you're in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, if you can rock a double-breasted suit, it's just 1 extra button that covers over, guys. Get it fitted well, and it goes a long way, all right? Double-breasted suit, invest in it. Trust me, you won't regret it, okay? Whether you're getting a charcoal or you're getting a navy, invest in it. It goes a long way. And if you're in Australia or places that are hotter right now, invest in suits that are more like a cotton finish or a very unstructured finish in a wool, a very light wool, okay, in those sort of climates. That's if you have to wear a suit. For a lot of corporate places, you still do have to wear that. Moving on, there's only 2 colored shirts that you ever need to invest in that will go a long way, okay, fellas? That is a white shirt and a blue shirt, a light blue shirt, okay, for the office space. You don't have to wear a tie like me, just invest in good quality cotton shirts, all right? Off the racks, suit supply, you can get it made to measure, your preference, but it is getting nice shirts is going to elevate your suiting game big time, okay? And these 2 colors are an absolute staple. Now, if you're in a more casual environment and you want to basically get a shirt that's more casual, an Oxford button-down is the way to go. One of my go-to Oxford button-downs is actually a denim. Yes, denim shirt. Huge. It is very versatile, very much so in more of a casual workplace environment. I love it to bits. Rock it with chinos, rock it with jeans. It looks bloody sensational. All right, that. And then if you wish to add a pattern to your suiting arsenal, to your shirting arsenal, then a stripe, just a simple blue stripe, like this, baby stripes, nice thin stripes. That's it, goes a long way. That's just adding a little bit of flavor, okay, to your office outfit. And if you're in a much more hot climate like Asia, India, and Australia right now, where it is hot, and you still want to rock a nice shirt, trust me, linen, Oxford button-downs are the way to go. I've got 2 examples here that I have. Here we go. Button down, see that? Button down, yes. Button down. They look awesome, guys. They're absolutely awesome. Goes with chinos, goes with jeans, okay? Goes a long way, yes. So that's the shirt element, okay, guys? Next on the list is short sleeves. What we'll do from a short sleeve standpoint that's timeless. Polos and plain tees. Let's talk about polos first. Polos, can't go wrong with a white or blue or grey simple pop polo. And if you really, really want to add a bit of flavour to it, go with the new sort of kid on the block. Knitted polos. Okay, guys, knitted polos, very, 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 very nice. Adds an element of surprise and delight to your outfit. It goes a long way. All right. And then if you really want to keep things super simple, just plain block t-shirts. That's it. Office game done from a top standpoint. That's it. We're looking fantastic with these basics, all right? And since it is still very cold in the northern hemisphere and you want to add piece of layering to your wardrobe, then a beautiful crew neck sweater here. This is from Uniqlo, one of my favorites, or a beautiful cardigan. Yes, that's it. Just add these two pieces to add a bit of warmth, and on top of that, rocking it with the coat, you're pretty snug and cozy. Okay, that's it. It's that simple, guys. These elements here adds a huge array of options to your timeless wardrobe for 2025. And if you really, really want to style it up and you want to add a bit of bourgeois swag, I love a bloody nice chunky knit. Chunky knits, look at that. Beautiful chunky knit. You can have this with just a simple Oxford button down, jeans or chino, looks bloody sick, all right? Chunky knits, love it. Love it, especially for the colder months, of course. Not for summer, guys, not for summer right now. Okay, and that's it. That's it from a top standpoint. See, easy as that. Those pieces are to inspire you. You pick and choose what you want out of that. I want to give you some looks at the end that I would be rocking. But let's talk about pants. And really, when we talk about suits, if you've already gone with your suits, you already got pants there, right? You've got your, I would go with the charcoal because I do love to mix and match the charcoal suit pants with other elements of the wardrobe here. And these all really go well together. As you can see, we're sticking to really foundational colors that goes a long way. And that's how we're gonna elevate your goddamn styling game in 2025. Now, let's talk about pants. Pants, jeans. For casual Fridays, or for companies that you can dress a little bit more relaxed. Just two simple pairs of jeans, boys. First one, a dark pair of slim denim, okay? Dark pair of slim denim goes with so many things. Goes with your button down, Oxford, go with your t-shirts. They look goddamn good. And the other one is just a lighter tone. And if you guys checked out my videos on pants, essential pants, these are in there. These are essential. That's it for these. And then, if you really, really want to add a bit of spice, everyone loves a bit of spice. Beige chinos, boys. Get that in. Beige chinos. That's it. Beige chinos. Bang. You got yourself a absolute arsenal of mix and match options in your wardrobe for 2025. You can be rocking this particular setup all year long, mixing and matching it all. You're gonna get so many different wonderful outfits out of this. All right, from a footwear standpoint, I've spoken about it time and time again. Must have pieces is a beautiful pair of low profile white leather sneakers. Keep them clean, fellas, clean them. If they get dirty on a night out, go home and take care of your sneakers. People notice dirty sneakers, makes a huge difference. All right, first things first. Second thing is black Oxford shoes. I'm rocking them right now. Boop, yes, boop, yes, that's right, black Oxford shoes. You've seen them in my other videos. I love them to bits, they are the bomb. Get a pair, get a really, really good pair, okay? You won't regret it. And loafers. Loafers for those casual days, just to spice things up. Yes, and these are a sensational option. Dark brown penny loafers, guys. Won't do you wrong, okay? Footwear, done. That's it. And let's talk about accessorizing yourself. So let's talk about accessorizing yourself. Ties. Now, They are a great talking point if you're in an office where you do have to wear a tie. Ties that I recommend have character and they have a little bit of oomph about them. So there's so many options for ties, but let's just say you wanted to have a staple, timeless capsule ties. First tie, navy tie with a bit of texture. See that? That texturing going through it? Beautiful, yeah? Get that. This is another tie that I would recommend. This is a linen tie. See that? Linen tie? Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And if you want to add a bit of pattern to it, baby polka dot tie. Yeah, that's it. Or striped tie, up to you, whatever your flavor is. But tie just sets the suit and completes it. And if you've checked out any of my other videos before in the past, I will tell you time and time again, if you're rocking a suit or any of my shorts, yes, the cherry on top, a pocket square, boys. Yes, a beautiful white linen pocket square. It just sets the outfit off. Yes, that's it. And of course, for your jeans, belts. 2 simple belts, a black one and a brown one. You don't need to spend a shitload of money on bloody belts, to be honest. I've gone through so many belts in my lifetime. You can get simple ones. They're about, what, 30, 40 bucks from Uniqlo. Of course, buy the belt that you want. Don't get something that's too chunky. Get something that's a bit more slimline, that goes and mix and match with everything. For my chinos, I generally do love side adjusters. It makes a bloody world of difference. But that's it, guys. That's it. That's from me. That's for me. I know it's a bit of much longer video than usual, but I really want to talk about elevating one's styling game in the office this year, because we spend a lot of time in the office. We really do, you know, at least 40 hours of our life in an office space. At least we can dress well and look bloody swagalicious and delicious at the same time. So let me know your thoughts. I'm here to help. I really want to help you guys elevate your styling game this year. And of course, I can learn from you as well. I've got plenty to learn this year. I've got to increase my own personal styling game. So let me know your thoughts. Would love to hear your feedback. Hit me up in the comment section below. Let me know where else I can help. But happy 2025. Let's get our styling game up. And until next week, keep dressing well, looking fly, and feeling bloody awesome. All right, guys, appreciate you. Have a wonderful one. Peace out, yeah? Till next time. Cheers.